Is there koi in that pond?
Mm-hmm.
There's fish in the pond, I think. Used to be.
Anak, nakamamama na si Tata ba? Look here. There? Yeah, go over there and be like that. Okay, now, mama. Now. Oh, nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Picture mo nga kami dalawa ni Mother dito, my dear. Oh. Ang ganda, no?
Ano naman?